You have to start with practice set 5.4. Question number second, first example. Here example is x minus 2y plus 3 bracket square plus x plus 2y minus 3 bracket square. Here you have to utilize the identity a plus b plus c bracket square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. This identity you have to utilize when solving this example, and you have to solve the example. This identity is like this: first term plus second term plus third term bracket square is equal to first term square plus second term square plus third term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus 2 into second term into third term plus 2 into first term into third term. Means you have to utilize the identity, but it is not possible to write the formula and to solve the example. Directly I will put these values in the formula and I will solve this example. So here you have to utilize the identity a plus b plus c bracket square. Here also you have to utilize the identity a plus b plus c bracket square identity. Then I will utilize this identity. A is equal to, you have to take x. Here a is equal to you have to take x, b is equal to you have to take minus 2y, and c is equal to you have to take 3. For this, a is equal to you have to take x, b is equal to you have to take 2y, and c is equal to you have to take minus 3. And you have to solve the example. So first of all, for this bracket I will utilize the identity first term square plus second term square plus third term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus 2 into second term into third term plus 2 into first term into third term. In the same manner, this is first term, second term and third term. So you have to utilize the identity first term square plus second term square plus third term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus 2 into second term into third term plus 2 into first term into third term. So after that, once you will put these values in the identity, at that time you have to do the square and you have to do the product. So square of x is x square. So you will write here. Minus square is always plus. So minus 2y bracket square is equal to 4y square. Minus square is always plus. 3 square is 9. So here you have to do the product of the numeric term. But here plus multiplied by minus. Plus multiplied by minus is equal to. Plus multiplied by minus is equal to minus. So 2 2s are 4. X multiplied by y is equal to xy. Means this product will come here. Minus 4xy. So here plus multiplied by minus is equal to minus, and 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. Means this will come minus 12y plus multiplied by minus is equal to minus 2 2s are 4 4 3s are 12y, and this 2 3s are, you have to do the product, 2 3s are 6x. This will come here. Everybody understand? This product you will write here, this product here, this product here, this product here. This product you will write here, this product you will write here. Everybody understand? After that you have to do the square of the x. Square of x is equal to x square. 2y square is 4y square. Minus square is always plus. Minus 3 square is plus 9. Then 2 2s are, here you have to do the product. 2 2s are 4. X multiplied by y is equal to plus 4xy. This will come, this product will come here. Then this product you have to do. This product will come here. This 2 plus multiplied by minus is equal to minus. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Y will come. And this product plus multiplied by minus is equal to minus. This product will come here. So like this you have to do the product. You have to do the square. And you have to do this third step. Then this will be x square minus 4y square minus 9 minus 4xy plus 12y minus 12y plus 6x. Bracket complete, plus another bracket x square plus 4y plus 9 plus 4xy minus 12y minus 6x. So next step is you have to solve the bracket. If outside the bracket minus sign, that time you have to change the sign. If outside the bracket plus sign, at that time no need to change the sign. Here plus sign, so no signs will change of this second term. Whatever be the terms present in the second bracket, the signs will not change. Then you will write x square outside x square, 4y square, 9 minus 4xy minus 12y plus 6x. then plus sign, so no, don't change the sign. X square plus 4y plus 9 plus 4xy minus 12y minus 6x. Here you have to select the like terms together. Here x square, this x square you will write together with this x square, so x square plus x square. This 4y square you will write this 4y square plus 4y square plus 4y square, here you will write. Then this 9 plus 9 you will write here. Then after that you will write minus 4xy and plus 4xy, minus 4xy plus 4xy you will write here. Then what is remain? 12y minus 12y you will write together. After that what is remain? Plus 6x minus 6x you will write here. This plus 6x plus 4xy and minus 4xy, these are the like term having the opposite sign, you have to strike this term. Plus 6x minus 6x, like term having the opposite signs, you have to strike the term. Then what is remain? This 1x square plus 1x square is equal to 2x square. 4y square plus 4y square is equal to 8y square. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Then minus 12y minus 12y. If both numbers are negative, add their magnitude and give the sum the negative sign. So this minus 12 is equal to minus 24y square. You have to add these numbers and you have to give the minus sign. And from that expansion of, when we will solve this, at that time this answer will come 2x square plus 8y square plus 18 minus 24y. So this example is bigger. While writing in the book you have the problem. So what you have to do? You have to utilize your notebook full page. Means you will utilize the full page of the notebook like this. Like this you will utilize the full page, and you will write from this, you will write up to this, you will write all the this type of the examples. And you have to do the properly the step. After each and every step you have to leave the line, you have to underline the terms, and you have to write it properly. Write all these things in the notebook properly. Thank you.